Hello and welcome to Tips and Tricks. I am Lauren Prue, a training support specialist for the AT and UDL Loan Library at the Porter-Ranch Distribution Center. This video series focuses on ease of access in the Windows 10 operating system. The ease of access features help support all learners through universal education, Tier 1 support in the Florida's multi-tiered system of supports. Students using a Windows computer can self-select these supports to remove any barriers and increase their engagement during instruction of the Florida Best Standards. This episode will focus on the audio alerts and closed caption settings. To access this setting, start by clicking the Start icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click the gear icon to open Settings and click on Ease of Access. Under the heading Hearing, audio and closed caption settings can be modified. Device volume can be turned up or down. Mono audio, which combines left and right audio channels into one channel, can be toggled on or off. Audio alert visual style can be selected from the drop-down menu. Shown here are some closed caption modification examples. The window shown at the top changes immediately after you choose the selection in the Categories drop-down menu. Closed caption font can be changed in color, transparency, style, size, and effects. Caption background and transparency can also be changed. Window color and transparency can be modified as well. All of these modifications can be done to improve contrast and make the text easier to read. Another way to access these settings is to type the setting you are looking for into the search section on the bottom toolbar. On behalf of the AT and UDL Technology and Learning Connections team, we just want to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye on our website for additional videos and support.